Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and oof, this guys thing is just stuck in my head and I've named my squad called FMA squad, so I have to use that. Hello FMA squad, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials, and if you're watching this video for the first time, welcome to FMA squad. You are part of it too now. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and join this wonderful FMA squad. So if you want me to see your posts or something, please use hashtag FMA squad and I am going to check that out for you. I am here to do some makeup which is very much in right now. That is freckle makeup. Freckles are very much in. People are opting for fake freckles and all that, I have heard and I've seen, of course. So I thought, why not even I try how does freckle looks on me? And if you want to know how to get a fake freckle look, then this video is gonna help you for that. So please keep on watching, and without wasting any further time, let's get started. Ow! Alright, I keep on saying that. Alright, so for priming today, I am going to use the Smashbox Primerizer. Done priming, and now we are going to go straight to the foundation, which is MAC Mineralize Blending. So guys, I'm going to apply a very light foundation today because I don't want very fake makeup flaws here and there a little bit, so that it looks a little bit more anyways. So I am going to make it so simple and so natural that I want some of my flaws to be there, you know. So we'll move on to the concealer. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in Cool Tan. This is not a very light concealer for me. It's almost my skin color or a shade darker. Going to use the Essence Stay All Day Long 16 Hours Long Lasting Concealer in the shade Soft Beige, that is 20, and I'm just going to place a little bit of dots everywhere where I want a little bit of brightening. Now we're going to powder by using the Laura Mercier powder. So for the eye makeup, I'm using the Huda Beauty. I'm going in color Suede and I'm just going to place it right all over my eye. I'm now going to grab some Bossy and Sandalwood color and I am again placing it right on the crease. Now with a more tapered brush, I am going to dip in Cocoa and I am going to concentrate more on my crease area. Now I'm going to cut my crease. And now I'm going to go in Too Faced Glitter Palette and I am going to place a green shade right on top of this. Beautiful, man. Ooh, voila. Taking black truffle on a tapered brush, I am just going to darken up the edges of my shadow. Nice. And I'm using that same black color to smudge my lower lash line, just 1/4 of it. And now I'm taking the same green color which I used on the lid on the same brush from Too Faced, and I am going to go and line the rest of my eye. And I'm filling up my waterline with white color. And going in Fairy Dust in the Too Faced palette again, I am going to just highlight my tear ducts and my brow bone. So I'll just quickly finish my eyebrow and the other eye and I'll be right back to you guys. So now our lashes are also fixed and now we are going to go for some blush and then we are going to create the fake freckles. So the blush which I'm going to use is Gilda from NARS and it's in such a bad condition to show you guys. Also, I am just going to apply the blush on the entire part of this area because that looks little natural, the redness and everything. You see how natural it has started looking? So I have this brown pencil. I am now going to just randomly place few dots on this place where I want freckles. And now what I'm going to do is take the same beauty blender, spray it with a little bit of spray, and then use that side to just tap this into the skin. And now by using a little bit more fluffy brush, I'm dipping it into a powder and I'm just tapping it on this. Now for some more drama, I'm taking the Morphe palette in 35W and I am going to grab a brown shade from this palette on the spoolie and I'm just going to drop it. Make sure you're looking very upward and dropping it right like that. You see how this has fallen? And now just take a brush, press it very lightly. So I'm going to use Flirt by Huda Beauty. And to this I'm going to add the Rocketeer gloss. Cheeky look! So now I have something in my head as a surprise to this look and I'm going to add cute little sparkly stuff I have and I really want to use it, so I'm going to place it on the cheeks. So I'm just taking the eyelash glue and placing it some parts of my cheeks. So this is it guys. I hope that you like this video. If you like, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And do let me know if you like this green thing happening on my face or no. Also I would like to know what do you think about IGTV. So basically, who do not know about IGTV, let me just elaborate and tell you that IGTV is the new Instagram application which they have introduced where you can upload a 15-minute long video as well. Please do not forget to mention down in the comment section below. I have mixed reviews about it and I have mixed feelings as well. So do let me know what do you feel and I really want you guys to tell me what do you think and how should we take it, positive or negative. Yeah! So that's it guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Till bye my FMA squad. I'll see you.